There are no Saccos within the market here.
Hidi ya kigomano gya thothaiti itiganite mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, maundu matiganite nimagwetetwo gukorwo mahutitie mirutire ya wira ya Saccos makiria kumana na ushindani wa kwigwatira akombi. Wongerereku wa kambuni cia gukombithania mbeca kwitukira thimu cia moko ukagwetwo ta thina umwe uhutitie Saccos na njira nene.
Most Saccos are lending to their customers, but we now also know that there are also many other institutions that are lending, not just Saccos. Banks are there. We now have all these money lenders that are virtual. They are more accessible, and therefore there's a really a lot of competition, with the Saccos.
Kambuni cikagwetwo kurihio shindani munene wa akombi, riu Sacco igicungiririo kurika tharano-ini ya akombi nacio.
We need to move from the fact that they can only survive with salaries, so we also want to create value and show them there are other ways you can get income and be able to service your loans and be able to continue well with life.
Kuringana na murugamiri munene wa Sacco ya Safaricom Joseph Njoroge, Sacco ikoretwo igitungana na mathina ma kunyiha kwa akombi cia ikuhi.
We have to have a mind shift on the value proposition for our customers. We focus more on innovation, and we also change the way we do our things.
Kwatiririka kimuhuko kwa AKENYA ingi makiria aria muhuko muhuthu na KUGAGWETWO ta undu ucungiririe kunyiha kwa AKENYA aria maraiga kana gukomba Sacco-INI.
We face the same challenges of default. We face the same challenges of shrinking incomes for our members. So I would say all of us are in the same industry and we are all affected in a particular way.
Economy is not doing well, then it means that the shilling getting to the customer's pocket is got many competing needs, and therefore there would definitely be some challenge.
Jane Kaimuru kuma Sacco ya thukuru wa University ya Egerton agataririo uria Sacco cia mathukuru ikoretwo ihatiririo kuona mathukuru maingi makoretwo magomeirwo ni mathina ma gucerithirio mbeca ciamo mahinda kwa mahinda.
Universities have had challenges in the year, so our biggest challenge is loan default because they've not been able to get their salaries as expected. For example, Egerton University has been receiving 60% salaries for the last 2 years. So as a Sacco we want to adjust their loan repayments, and of course their savings were also affected. So that's our biggest challenge.
Naguo watho mweru wa kigino kagwetwo kugia na uhotekeku wa kuibaibia mathina ma igithia Saccos kuona umithio wao ya gukundera.
Most of these Saccos are member based. These are employees of various organizations. So when, for instance, there is an increase, there is a housing levy, for instance, that means that the employee is getting lesser money into their pocket.
Hadu ni KAMBUNI TV letu rakoni bataru wa mwagi.